Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest machines, upcoming models, and the future of motorcycling. In today's video, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2026, the Royal Enfield Bobber 350, a motorcycle designed to blend retro attitude with modern engineering. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 stands out instantly with its pure old-school bobber styling. It carries a low-slung stance, single-seat profile, chopped fenders, and wider handlebars that enhance its bold and muscular presence. The circular LED headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and exposed mechanical elements create a minimalistic yet premium look. Royal Enfield has focused heavily on craftsmanship, offering metal components, polished chrome touches, and deep paint finishes to elevate the bike's vintage appeal. Powering the Bobber 350 is the familiar yet refined 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. For 2026, the engine has been further tuned for smoother power delivery and reduced vibrations. Producing strong mid-range torque, the bike ensures a relaxed and confident cruising experience. It is designed for calm city riding as well as effortless highway travel, making it ideal for riders who enjoy a laid-back but powerful feel on the road. The motorcycle features a comfortable low seat height, giving riders an easy reach to the ground. The wide handlebars offer better leverage and stability, while the forward-set foot pegs create the classic bobber posture, relaxed yet commanding. Suspension has been enhanced with a firmer rear setup and a telescopic front fork, offering a balanced ride over uneven roads. Whether used for daily commutes or long leisure rides, the 2026 Bobber 350 promises a smooth and comfortable journey. Royal Enfield has equipped the Bobber 350 with a mix of modern essentials and classic simplicity. The instrument console receives updated digital elements, including trip meters, fuel efficiency data, and navigation support through smartphone connectivity. Safety features such as dual-channel ABS, better braking performance, and advanced lighting technology enhance rider confidence. Despite being rooted in retro design, the bike carries the conveniences expected from a 2026 model. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 is positioned as a premium lifestyle motorcycle in the 350 cubic centimeters segment. It aims to attract riders who value style, comfort, and individuality. With its blend of tradition and modern upgrades, the bike offers strong value at its expected competitive price point, making it accessible to enthusiasts looking for a unique riding experience. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 captures the essence of timeless motorcycling while embracing the needs of modern riders. Its design, performance, comfort, and features combine to create a motorcycle that feels both nostalgic and fresh. For those who want a distinctive machine with character and elegance, the Bobber 350 stands out as a compelling choice. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more upcoming reviews and deep dives into the latest two-wheelers.